That was a cute one.
That was a very cute one.
I was like...
I throw a bit of cute in there every now and then,
Oi.
All right, we're here with Jake 100. So Jake, tell us about what you do.
So I'm a freestyle bike rider from East London, born and raised here. You know, I'm all about the community, seeing what we can do for the younger generation. And yeah, here today to get even more cracked than I'm already am.
So you've had a few injuries in the past, no doubt?
Yeah, plenty. I've had collarbone injuries. I've got metal plate in my collarbone.
Yeah.
I've had reconstructions on my knee. Obviously fallen on my back, knocked myself out a few times. So yeah, we've had a fair few crashes.
How long have you been riding?
The stuff I do now, like the wheelies and the kind of freestyle on the streets, I've been doing for about 10 years, but I've been riding bikes ever since a little kid, ever since I can remember. I started on BMX. I was a big footballer, and then the knee injury that I got actually ruined my kind of football dreams, and it kind of worked out for the better.
On your left side?
Yeah, left.
So what's going on?
I had I tore my ACL, ripped my meniscus.
Is in recently?
Nah, this was probably about 6 years ago, 6 years ago. But I had 2 keyholes and reconstruction on it. But like even now, like obviously with physio and training, I do as much as I can. But even now, it gets more tired quicker than the other knee, and it has little, you know, certain weeks out of the blue, you get the little
just pings a bit. Yeah. Okay.
It's the worst, but
so what do you do for your conditioning?
For training and
in
stuff?
general,
training, I do a lot of, at the moment, I did gym for like a year to kind of put a bit of size on, and then now I'm just focusing on calisthenics, kind of on the bars, pull-ups, bodyweight stuff. And then where the gym is near my house, the outdoor gym, there's like a BMX track. So then I'll be doing a lot of laps on that for cardio and for core, and literally training on my bike there too. So that's kind of what I do most days.
All right, cool.
Those two.
All right, mate, we'll have a look at things, all right? So I'll get you standing here, facing this way.
I feel like
the energy.
I'm such a hunchback when I'm older as well.
Jesus, man. How old are you?
Like this, 24.
You're 20, fuck, young kid. Oh, Jesus. Bending over and touching your toes? Any discomfort there or just stiff?
No, just stiff.
Just stiff, and come back. Extend back.
Oh, yeah, no, I feel it there.
There, okay.
Yeah, straight down.
All right, and rotate to the left. And rotate to the right. Any discomfort or a bit of stiffness on this side?
No, the same bit, like in the middle of my back, it feels
down there.
tight.
Yeah, okay. All right, mate. What I'll do, I'll get you sitting there, facing this way. So I'll do a test, mate. I'll get you sitting more upright.
Now the nerves are coming in now.
I'll get you touching your nose,
like that,
and then touching my finger. Correct. Do that 5 times.
What's this doing? Just. Can I look at your finger? Yeah.
Yeah, you can look at it. You can look at it. Yeah. Okay. Now do it with your eyes closed.
I didn't touch it.
Okay, now do the left side with the eyes open first. 5 times. 2 more. Eyes closed. So your left side's... Yeah, cool. So what's happening here? Basically, the neural pathways on your right side aren't firing properly. So it's affecting something called proprioception, which is your balance, which is like when you're doing like riding, like in calisthenics, very, very important. All right, man. So what we'll do, I'll get you sitting up, face this way. Yep. And that right arm like this. And strong as you can go.
Oh.
And thumb down.
You're pretty strong, though, isn't it?
Cheers, bro. And this one. Strong? Yeah, it's fine. Thumb down? Yeah, all right side. Okay, I'll get you standing here, facing this way.
Weaker, isn't it?
Yeah, not
I
firing
would have
properly.
thought it was stronger.
Because your dominant side isn't necessarily the stronger side. That's like a neurological test, yeah. So with this one, what you want to do, from where you are, is going heel to toe with your eyes closed and do 4 steps.
I shouldn't have drunk earlier. Eyes closed. These are not the best shoes,
shit.
though,
Yeah, okay, mate. Here's the excuses. Here's the excuses.
Wave.
Here we go.
It'll be better.
Man's got excuses
Look
already.
at them. It's like walking on bubbles, mate. Eyes closed, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cheers, you're on the piss. Okay. All right, man. I'll get you on your back. We'll go face up.
Mate, that's terrible, isn't it?
Okay. So this one, your left leg up all the way. Strong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go resist. Don't let me. Oof.
Not that
This
strong.
one? Nah. Should be able to resist this. Should be able to resist. Go, strong as you can go. Strong as you can go. Shit. Yeah, okay. Just let that one relax. Let it go. When you hear a little, there we go. All right? Just let that one go. There we go. This side was your bad knee?
Yeah.
Right, dude. There we go. Good?
Yeah, good. Feels tough,
Big time, yeah. Got a lot of like fibrous tissue there.
Oof.
This one here, yeah. Right in there. Okay. This one. And up. And extend. And down. And extend. And down. And extend. And down. Just keep your teeth together.
Oh. I was scared I wasn't going to crack. But fucking hell.
That one was more like a spinal cord adjustment.
Yeah.
Did you feel it go all the way through you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight down.
Yeah. This one's a bit different here, man.
Yo! I have never felt anything like that in my life. Are you going to do it again?
Just there. Just drop. There we go.
Oh, that is peak.
Peak.
Yeah, that's like
What's peak?
peak, like, oof,
Tip
like,
top.
Yeah, that's up there. That was like, oof.
Pretty sore in there as well.
Yeah, it feels tight.
Yeah, big time. Do you get headaches?
Hmm?
Do you get headaches?
Every now and then,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, you feel it straight away, right? Fuck.
Okay. And breathe in. And out. And breathe in. Neither are moving here. Okay.
What does that mean?
Means you need a little bit of movement in there.
In what?
Yeah, when you
Wait,
breathe
let me
in.
relax first. You scare me.
And breathe in. And hold. Okay. And again, breathe in. Hold. And out.
Oh.
And breathe in. That's better. For that.
Yeah.
Actually expand it properly. Breathe in. Good. And out. What else will do? Give yourself a hug.
I'm sweating a bit now. Fuck.
And breathe in. And out. There we go. All good?
Yeah, bro. You know, it's all new feelings right now.
I'll get you sit. Just let that one relax.
Oh.
This right trap.
Oh.
Feel that one?
Yeah, it's fucking tight, right?
And breathe in. And out all the way. All the way, all the way. Like you're doing a shoulder press. And down. And just keep repeating that. And up. And down. And up. And down. Relax. And down.
That was a cute one.
That was a very cute one.
I was like,
I throw a bit of cute in there every now and you know.
oi.
That one's not so cute.
Oh, you feel that?
Right in there. Just go for, arms down. Yeah, this way. Right.
That's it. Mountain biking.
Fuck.
Yeah. Not fun.
This one here. This one's not good.
Oh, my body feels all types of fucked up.
Getting there as well.
Oh.
Shit, gotta
Yeah.
be careful with this, mate. There we go.
Oh.
Right. Just let that go.
Oh.
There we go. And on your side, put a.
I ain't leaving this room for the rest of the day. Staying right.
Pain premium.
Oh, this stuff feels worse.
Right side's way worse.
Oh.
Yeah. Just let that one go. There we go. Good. And head down that end again.
Face down. Oh.
Almost believe it's summer. Yeah, face up. Face up.
That's what it feels like, you know.
And opening your mouth. All the way. This side needs to go. And down. Open. Yep. Okay. And close. Close. It's intense, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And open and close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Okay. We're looking to the right all the way.
Close.
Now open. Close. Open. There we go. Now open again. Close. Open. How's it feel?
Smooth one. Almost feel like you just oiled it.
Little degrease. There we go. Let that one go. There we go. All right. So we'll go retest this one again. You're done.
Hey.
You're done. Push it up. Push. Oh.
Stronger now.
Stronger, eh?
Yeah.
Push. Good. There we go. Push. Thumb down, thumb down. Much better. Left one is pretty good anyway. Good. All right. And looking to the left. How's that, all right?
Yeah, it feels nice.
Good. To the right. How's that?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Nothing. I've had the shittest neck recently as well.
Mm.
Literally, I think
Whereas like your range of motion now is pretty much full.
Badly as well, like.
Can be pillow, all that sort of stuff as well, definitely. I'll get you standing, facing this way. Yep, and bending over and touching your toes. How's that?
Oi!
He's back.
Yo! The first one I couldn't even get to the toes, right? I'm like, no.
Almost palms.
Yeah.
Jesus. And come back.
I do need to stretch more as well.
Way better.
Yeah.
Not painful on the way back?
No, it doesn't feel tight like that.
And to the left. Good. To the right. Good. All right, what we'll do, I'll get you sitting facing me this way.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do it again. Right hand, touch your nose, and then touch my finger. There you go, 3 times. Now close. Good. Good. Left one, open. Close.
That's weird because you know I thought I was gonna miss your finger every time.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what we call. That's how like you can actually hit it accurately. Yeah. Like the first time your right side wasn't working properly.
Dodging, yeah.
Left was touch and go. It was better than your right, but right was all over the shop. That's basically because like the messages in the proprioceptive input or the balance input was wrong on the upper right on the neck. At least after we did those adjustments, it's getting the right signals. Which
what does that do just because of how it's like ends up lying?
Yeah, when the joints are stuck and they're not moving properly, it affects mechanically first and foremost, and then neurologically affect how things work. Oh, okay. Yeah, which doesn't always cause pain, but it will neurologically affect how you function. So that's why even if you don't get much pain, it's worth getting checked because you might not neurologically be functioning as well. Okay, last thing we'll do, heel to toe with your eyes closed. All good.
That's a lot better.
Beautiful, beautiful. Legend. Awesome, man. Awesome. Very good. And that